Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into y'all energy to see what the heck y'all got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take a resonate, leave it does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly. I could be speaking of a masculine or a feminine. Place whatever way. Energy is always fluid. Hopefully, you guys are having a good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What's going on? We're going to do something a little different today, you guys. We're going to go ahead and work with the elements. So, fire, air, earth, water, which one will be first? Let's see. Fire sign. So we have Leo, Aries, Sagittarius is definitely significant to this reading. Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. What's going on with the fire signs, Plain Spirit? What is anchoring the reading for the fire signs? Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. What's going on? What's happening with the fire signs? We have Lover. Clarifying fire signs is lover. Okay, this could be like soulmate energy. I'm thinking of the Lover's card in the traditional tarot. Soulmate, kindred spirit type of energy is what I'm feeling here with this lover. All right. Clarify this lover. Something is significant with the lover here. Fire signs, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, of Venus. Would you mind clarifying this lover energy? What's happening? Clarify lover, please, spirit, for the fire signs. Lover. What's going on with lover? Lover. Okay, I'm gonna take it. Oh, I'm seeing a message of concern here for you, Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius. Number 7 can be significant. This is like some sort of surprising message or something like that. All right. I'm also showing here clarifying this lover energy is confusion and illusion. There is some sort of confusion, some sort of illusion when it comes to like I don't want to say that as a water sign. I feel like it might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius may very much be significant. Number 41 could be significant. Number 58 could be significant as well. I'm seeing that there's an energy of someone doing voodoo or some sort of witchcraft on you, Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius. This may have been some sort of lover of yours. This could have been, like I stated before, like some sort of kindred spirit. This could be somebody from a previous lifetime. This could be someone that's definitely very familiar with you, possibly some sort of karmic soulmate, you guys. There's an energy of some sort of lover, some sort of karmic soulmate. It seems like this individual is very selfish. You can get what I'm saying? This person is very emotionally closed off type of energy, and it seems like they may be doing some sort of love magic on you or something like that, or attempting to do some sort of love magic on you guys to create or cause some sort of confusion for you. Let's go ahead and clarify this with the tarot and see what's going on with the fire signs. Or you could be doing that to someone else. Hopefully not. I don't want to read no karmic mess like that. Lord forbid. Clarify this confusion and illusion, number 58. What's happening here with this confusion and illusion? What's going on, please, Spirit? Confusion and illusion. All right. Confusion and illusion. Okay. So I'm definitely seeing an energy here where clarifying this confusion and illusion, this could have definitely been someone that you were giving to at one point of time, gifting, possibly taking care of, or something like that, or you were definitely giving to whoever this person is. Now I am definitely seeing Taurus energy out here, Earth sign energy with this King of Pentacles energy, or this could just simply be the energy that you know you are in. You're in this energy of stability. You might be financially stable or have some sort of financial security. I am definitely seeing an energy of someone experiencing some sort of loss when it comes to you. Okay. There's an energy of someone having to admit some sort of defeat or experience some sort of defeat or something like that. There's an energy of this person feeling unwelcome. This person is definitely harboring over something that they have done. We have the Ace of Swords out here clarifying this. This person is definitely harboring over something that they have done. All the while, even though they're like, knowing that this person may have messed up in some form of fashion or done something, that they can't take back. I'm still seeing that this person still has other people, I'm seeing other energies, other options here behind them from what I'm seeing here. I'm showing that there is a Ten of Cups out here. I don't know if this person has a family or something like that, or you could possibly have a family or something like that. Children, possibly in a long-term relationship with this person, possibly been married to this individual or something like that. Let's go ahead and clarify this Ice Queen. Wait a minute. Number 41 could be significant. What's going on with this Ice Queen energy? What's happening? Ice Queen. I'm definitely seeing an energy. Clarify one more for Ice Queen. I'm definitely seeing an energy of some sort of arguments, fuss, and fighting, some sort of conflict here. I'm seeing a lot of chaos, chaotic energy is what I'm seeing here, especially when it comes to you moving forward or something like that. Okay, with the Six of Wands, I'm definitely seeing an energy of you having some sort of advantage. All right. With this Three of Cups, there's an energy of celebration. I'm seeing that there's some sort of celebratory energy out here, but I'm also showing like friends. Somebody friends might be significant as well. Somebody could be working with their friends, or their friends could be assisting them or helping them in some form of fashion. That's what I'm seeing here. Cancer could be significant with this Queen of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius could be significant. And I'm also stating seeing Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. But remember with this Ice Queen, I said Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, like some sort of water sign. It's kind of funny that it came out as a Queen of Cups clarifying this Ice Queen. Let's go ahead and clarify this voodoo. At the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing that you are coming out as the high priestess. Someone, whoever I'm speaking to, you're very in tune. There's an energy of you being very psychic, very intuitive, very sensitive to energy as well. I'm seeing like you are being led or assisted by your spirit guides or your spirit team is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing they reveal things that are hidden to you. Let's go ahead and clarify this voodoo. Number 51 can be significant. What's going on with this voodoo energy? Now, clarifying this voodoo energy is coming out as the Ten of Swords. There's an energy of betrayal. There's an energy of some sort of backstabbing. Okay. This could even be like some sort of pin doll as well, because I'm looking at this picture and I'm seeing this person holding a doll. Okay. So this could be someone that possibly even made like a pin doll of you or something like that. Okay. What's going on with this voodoo energy? Uh-huh. I feel like whoever this person is may have betrayed you, backstabbed you. I'm seeing possibly bad mouth you. I'm seeing a very bitchy type of individual type of energy. It could be. I'm seeing them sending something. Okay. I'm seeing like a buildup of some sort of momentum, like they're sending something towards you, especially when it comes to your happiness and your joy. Um, Whoever you are, you could definitely be like a father figure or something like that, or some sort of older masculine energy or something like that. Some sort of authoritative figure. I'm seeing you carrying a whole lot of burdens, or this person wanting you to carry a whole lot of burdens. I'm seeing an energy of you guys being single with the Nine of Pentacles. There's an energy of independent wealth, independent stability. Okay, you could, like I stated, you could possibly even have children. Okay, this is definitely coming off as nostalgic energy for what I'm seeing here, and I'm seeing that there is coming out as the Empress. So this could possibly even be like a mother figure or something like that. I'm seeing a father and a mother figure type of energy. So I feel like there's energy. Either this is a mother figure sending like doing voodoo on the masculine doing voodoo on the feminine, or there's a third party energy that's doing voodoo on the both of you. Is what I'm seeing here. There's an energy of somebody feeling left out in the cold. See what I'm saying? There's an energy of somebody feeling unwelcome. There's an energy of somebody feeling left out. That's what I'm seeing here. I feel like whoever this person is may have invested some sort of time, money, or energy into you or something like that, or you into them, and it's like this person is like is not willing to let go. You get what I'm saying? Anything else for the divine space, family, friends, and collective regarding the fire signs? I'm seeing something coming to an end with this death card. Yep, there's definitely talking about things coming to an end. This is like a rebirth. An ending to something for a new beginning is what I'm seeing here, where somebody making a choice or have made a choice or decision in regards to whether they're going to do next, especially when it comes to their patience or their peace or something like that, or being having some sort of patience. Because with this Temperance card, I'm seeing an energy of things balancing, and I'm seeing somebody is watching. There's an energy of somebody watching, somebody spying even. Look what came out. The Lovers. Somebody's watching, spying. Very curious, especially when it comes to your new beginning, especially with this wheel turning in your favor. I'm seeing this as the energy of good luck. This is a good cycle, is what I'm seeing here. Everything that's happening is definitely faded, and it looks like this person is coming out as the devil. I feel like this person has some sort of addiction, some sort of obsession, mental health, even health issues. Even it seems like they want to keep you binded. They want to keep you in bondage, as you are supposed to be receiving some sort of new beginning with the Ace of Pentacles. I'm definitely seeing a new path, a new journey. I'm seeing an energy of some sort of new financial beginning is what I'm seeing here, some sort of new financial start, and I'm seeing you receiving good news. Yeah, it's in reference to stability. All right. Anything else? Anything else for the fire signs? Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Okay, Knight of Wands energy out here. Okay, there's an energy of you guys. I don't know if you were connected to some sort of player type of energy or something like that. Now, the Knight of Wands also speaks of um being some sort of free spirit as well, someone that operate with a lot of passion or very passionate about the things that they do. I'm seeing you might have been investing a lot of time, energy, or something into mastering something or building something of your own. I'm seeing someone standing in their power. There's an energy of it requiring you a lot of strength and courage, especially when it comes to a breakup or severance of some sort of ties. That's what I'm seeing here. Yeah, because I'm seeing with this Three of Swords that there's an energy of some sort of breakup or severance of ties, especially when it comes to some sort of partnership, possibly some sort of relationship, and it's for your happiness is what I'm seeing here. I could be speaking to a Leo, a Queen of Wands energy, masculine or feminine energy is what I'm seeing here. All right, somebody is focusing on their happiness, their joy, the energy of wanting to be free is what I'm seeing here. Anything else? Yeah, I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody walking away. There's an energy of withdrawing their energy. I'm also seeing a Queen of Pentacles out here. Virgo energy could very much be significant. Okay. And I'm seeing things coming in or happening very quickly with the Knight of Swords. I'm seeing an energy of someone um it's like it's something happening quickly. Okay, and it can have something to do with work. Something may pick up quickly for work or something like that, or something that you're doing creatively or something like that. I'm seeing a whole lot of opportunities and things, and that you will be like reaping some sort of reward. Okay, reaping some sort of harvest. Okay, for what I'm seeing here, and I'm seeing there's an energy of some sort of hoarding. There's an energy of someone wanting possession of or wanting control. Okay, possibly going through financial issues and situations. I'm seeing someone having a whole lot of secrets, causing a whole lot of illusions and things like that. Okay. Yeah. King of Wands. Aries can very much be significant as well. It could be happening too. Um, or an Aries could be doing it to someone else, but I'm definitely seeing a tower moment, things happening unexpectedly. All right, these are unexpected. I'm seeing unexpected events happening. Okay. I'm also seeing that there's an energy with this King of Swords. Libra might be significant. King of Swords, this could be to also speaking of the energy of things balancing out, okay? Spiritually, something happening spiritually with the King of Swords. With this High Priestess energy is what I'm feeling here. Wait a minute. Yeah, something is getting ready to balance out, something getting ready to happen. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing the Seven of Swords, that there was some sort of betrayal, deceit, some sort of lies. This voodoo is definitely a betrayal. This is like someone like tried to steal even. Lying, cheating, or stealing. I feel like whoever this high priestess is, could possibly even be a high priest. Place whatever way I need to be placed. I feel like Pisces might be significant here, especially when it comes to trying to steal, deceive, or something, and someone had to learn a lesson. Yeah, somebody had to learn a lesson. There's an energy of you having to protect your energy. You're coming out as the wounded warrior. That's what I'm seeing here. Anything else, please, Spirit? Regarding the fire signs and judgment being called in the whole situation. Yeah, I'm also seeing that there is a King of Cups here. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing that there's a King of Cups energy out here. So water is definitely significant as well. But I'm definitely seeing an energy of you guys like for some reason why I did feel like you guys are mirroring each other. I feel like you guys might have been soulmates or something like that in another lifetime with whoever you've been dealing with or a situation that you may be experiencing. I'm also seeing the justice coming out in the reverse. It looks like there has definitely been some sort of injustice here when it comes to a connection with a lover, okay? That has possibly triggered someone's spiritual enlightenment with the hermit. I'm seeing an energy of someone in solitude, okay? Spending time to themselves. Yeah. I feel like, again, like I stated before, you might have possibly had a family with whoever this person is. Okay, you could have been married to this person, possibly a long-term relationship. You could have, they were possibly, may have caused some sort of injustice to them, or they could have caused some sort of injustice to you. But I am definitely seeing an energy of options, choices, decisions to choose from, especially when it comes to taking a leap of faith in a different direction. I'm seeing that there's an energy of someone. There's an energy of self-sabotage here. Somebody thought they was going to get away with something. That's what I'm seeing here. I am seeing a new beginning in love, or extending some sort of new beginning in love. This could also talk about an energy of someone focusing on their own happiness and not caring about the other person. Okay. I'm saying that there is a message here with this Page of Wands. What's going on with this message? What's happening with this message? Okay, this is more like because you got the Page of Wands and a Hierophant is the Most High. Okay, what's going on with this message from the Most High? Somebody in the Nine of Swords, or will be in the Nine of Swords. There's an energy of regret, remorse. There's an energy of anxiety. It's like the Most High is giving some sort of message, or having someone deliver some sort of message, especially in regards to them being regretful for what they have done, and having someone view things from a different perspective after being let go. After being let go, I'm seeing there is a unexpected finances, or a whirlwind, a lump sum of money coming in for you guys. I'm seeing that this might have been some sort of prayer or some sort of wish fulfillment of yours. All right. And we have the Ace of Swords providing clarity to that as well. And I'm seeing you having some sort of boundary set. I'm seeing an energy of you blocking people. There's energy you blocking you standing your ground, you protecting yourself and closing out cycles. And right as you close out the cycle, I'm seeing an energy of people coming in wanting to apologize to you, wanting to make things right. A lot of these people is very emotionally childish, emotionally immature. They are not intelligent at all. It's the energy of them wanting something, and them just simply going after it and willing to say or do anything to obtain what they are seeking, is what I'm seeing here. Especially when it comes to a lover. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please.